Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to automatically highlight rows based on the text in Google Sheets. So we have a list of orders, 20 orders with products, the amount and status. So we want to flag the ones that is still pending to red color and the delivered one to green and shipped one to blue. So in order to do that, we have to click here and select the whole status and then right click and then click conditional formatting. If you don't see it here, you may find it here, but we're going to click conditional formatting, and then here we apply to the range. It's been selected, so here we will select text is exactly, and then here we're going to put delivered first. Okay, and then select the color green, so it means they've got this has been delivered. Now for pending, we add another rule and then select text is exactly, and now we write pending, and then we select the color red. Okay, you see, like the pen delivered one is green and the pending one is red color. And now for the shipped ones, we selected it again, and then we're going to write text is exactly, and then write shipped, and we're going to select the color blue. Done. Say we can now easily see which one got delivered, which one is yet to be like pending right now, and which one is shipped. So this is how you automatically highlight rows based on the text in Google Sheets. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.